Let's make this easy egg roll together that I prepare for my son. Hello beautiful people, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel. For this recipe, I'll be using some boiled egg, flour, I'll be using margarine, I'm using sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, I'm using some salt, milk, egg, vanilla flavor and water. So the very first thing is to sieve in your flour and baking powder. So you sieve this so that you can remove any dirt or any lumps that is inside. Then after that, you combine the rest of the dry ingredients together. That is the cinnamon, sugar, salt, and margarine. So once you have all this together, you give it a quick mix. That is, you mix everything together until it is well combined. So after mixing everything together and it look like a breadcrumb like this, you create a hole at the middle. Then you add the rest of the ingredient, that is the wet ingredients. So you add your flavor, milk and egg. Because I'm using milk in this video, so I'll not be adding the water immediately. So I'll first of all mix this together first, so then I'll add little water to it because I've used milk. So the water I'll be using will be very little, like about 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Then I'll mix everything very well together. I mix to form a dough. Then I also sprinkle some little flour to prevent it from sticking. My egg roll dough is ready. After that, I dust my work surface with a little bit of flour. Then I cut it into smaller sizes so it will be very easy to work with. Then I pick each one and I roll it out a little bit just to flatten it a little bit. Then I pick it up and I put it at the middle of my palm. Then I also place the egg at the middle. Then I wrap the dough all over the egg until the egg is well covered. Then I seal the edge so that it will not open. I seal it very well. Then I sprinkle a little bit of flour. So I'm just gently rubbing it with my hand so that I'll make sure that everything is well sealed and there's no any opening at all. And that is how to wrap your egg roll. So I'm just going to repeat the same process over again with the rest of the egg. So the full list of the ingredients will be in the description box. Please do check. After wrapping my egg roll, it is now time to proceed to frying. So I've preheated my oil. So I'm just dropping the egg roll one after the other. If you are frying egg roll, you need a deep pot to fry your egg roll, and you make sure you fry your egg roll on medium heat. So you fry until it is golden brown. If you enjoy my video, let me know in the comment section, and also like and share. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and be part of the family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel. And guys, this is our egg roll. Is looking yummy. So till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.